Hello from Slovenia again. I still have this pouring medium mixed with US products, American floetrol 80% to 20% Fllod emulsabond. This is my pouring medium, and I will try to do just a simple flower dip today. And I will add some. All my paints are mixed with this pouring medium, 2:1, and water to consistency, because they have to be quite thick. If you want a nice result for these dips and reverse dips and other techniques, you know. And I will use some Amsterdam olive green deep and Amsterdam olive green light for some greenery, and I mixed alizarian crimson with some black to get this dark cherry color. And I have Amsterdam carmine red, no, Mamieri bordeaux, and Amsterdam naples yellow red light, and of course my pearl white mixture. We'll just torch this a little bit carefully. So I'm thinking to add, you know, kind of three puddles, not puddles, circles. I will just drizzle some paint like in a spiral or something, and this is the dark cherry red that I hope that with black, and the other bordeaux red will work nice, so we will see. So I got pretty nice lacing with this mixture, and I'm so happy because I know that you in States now you can use this if you want to do a flower dips, reverse flower dips with pearl white. So I think that it's good. And on Sunday I will play with this product, so if you want, you can join me and we can talk about it. This is pearl white for some lacing, hopefully. And I will just add a little more of this darker red here on the outside. And naples yellow red light. I hope that I didn't add too much pearl white here on this one. Oh, before I forgot, just want to wish you happy birthday, HOA. Mina's husband, HOA, celebrating today, so happy birthday, dear HOA. Happy birthday to you. So I will add some olive green here and here and here. And some pearl white for the lacing, hopefully. Hope, because I have the white background, it will not be just too white. We will see. You can always dip again, add a little more color and dip again. So we will see. If you don't try, you don't know. I say this all the time. So, okay. This is done, and now I will dip my canvas into that. And you see, Doris, I taped my back with your frog tape, so thank you again to Doris from Doris ATDF Designs on YouTube, because she sent me these frog tapes and floetrol and emulsabond, and she played with this mixture before too, so but a little different, so nice of her. Okay, let's just release some pressure first, and then I will try to dip it straight up. Oh wow. Really, really, really different. I just need to add some paint on some places there that I see that I miss it, because it will level out, I think. So gentle, but I would love to have more of Bordeaux red, so pretty sure that I added too much pearl white there in between, but I really like that, and I like this, that it stayed on the plastic too, so I will have a nice skin too. I will just pop these air bubbles. Okay, so nice and quick one. I like the lacing, and I like how almost subtle or whatever it looks. I will take you down. As I said, I would really love to have more of the Bordeaux red, and maybe a little more of these reds here, but hope that you can see all these cells and lacing. Wow, love it. And I love these green leaves too. They are just so beautiful. And this is what it's on the plastic, that it will be a skin that I can use. Really amazing, with all this little lacing and cells and everything. This one is my favorite probably, and this one. So I really like this pouring medium with those US products. So if you like it too, you can give me a thumbs up. Tell me what you think about it, and see you on the next one. Bye.